Hey guys, Spooky Skelly here, and today we're with my friend B, and where is he at? Well, Ski Mask. Ski. Yeah, they call. He likes the name God of Cancer. Anyways, say your YouTube channel so they could subscribe to you too. His YouTube channel. Yeah, so yeah, don't. And then there's B. Alright. And we're gonna be building. Oh my god, get out the way. Well, we're playing we're playing Island Survivor 2. Yeah, what's up? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Subscribe to my channel, Spooky Skelly. My channel. My channel is Spooky. Wait, Ski. My channel is. Subscribe to my channel, Spooky Skelly. With the 3 though. Here you go. Here's your logs. This is what I have in my inventory. Obviously, I got 29 apples, 28 bananas, 18 chemicals. Yeah, I'm gonna need the cloth. We have 18 cloth right now. Where's Jesus Christ? Where is these? Why are you dropping the logs? Oh, B, I'm gonna use them to get the, B, I am making a fish trap. I'm making a fish trap. Get some. Okay, now no, I don't need the torch. Okay, I'm gonna make a planter, because we need to grow our foods. So, right there. Right there. Don't worry guys, if you want to play, you really don't need to fertilize them because they grow on their own. So if you want to play, just let them grow on their own. See, look, no fertilizer and it's growing. Let's hope we... Yeah. Yeah, I want to know what they do too. If you guys play this game, can you comment down below what do you do with the coins if you play it? Uh-oh, I'm dying. I'm dying. Yeah, I'm a pro builder, trust me. My friend is here. Should we go pick him up? I'm gonna go pick up my friend, I think. Yeah, I might. Wait. Gotta wait. Alright, come get these logs. Here. Get these logs. Get these logs. I need to make some rope. Alright, we got a torch. Hey guys. You see these torches? Hey, you work on that. Work on the house real quick. I'll be back. Oh, look at if you find suitcases, open them. Okay, look what they give you. They give you food, blueprints, cloth. Blueprints could be used to upgrade your research level. Blueprints could upgrade your research level, which we hit max the first day we were playing this game, which was yesterday. So we really haven't. We actually no. Guys, didn't we start playing this game today? We started playing this game today. No, today. Yeah, because you left at like 5 or 4 in the morning. Yeah. If it is, then phew. If you want, I can make a bandage and we could go hunting for the zombies. Watch out, because there are zombies in this game too. Fertilizer just helps grow your plant. You really don't need it. It just helps grow. Oh yeah, we're gonna get a water house. We may have the next airdrop. Oh, bee. Hey, I might make another video on Bee Swarm if you guys are up to it. We can make another video on Bee Swarm after this is done publishing. Ski. Yeah, Ski. Don't worry about Ski. He likes to rap sometimes. Just he told us to ignore it. Yeah, Ski is a fast. He's a fast rapper. Hey B, can you hear me? If you could hear me, stay still. Hey, you want to make another video on the bees? You want to make a video on the Bee Swarm? I want to. I want to make 2 videos right now. Hey, did you guys know that the Island 2 was based off of the forest? No, it's based off the forest. There's zombies in this game, right? We have zombies in here, right? So yeah, then it's based off the forest. Yeah, this is our little house. Yeah, this game is based off of the forest and cannibals. 'Cause there's zombies in here. Yeah, and the forest, 'cause since there's zombies, I just saw a little I saw a little oh yeah, where's the fish trap at? Phew. Guys, come look at this fish. Not in this one. Guys, look at this fish I just caught. Look at this fish I just caught. Hello, come look at this fish. Come look at this fish I caught. B and Ski, come look at this. Come look at this. I just caught a fish. No. Yeah, come look. Hurry up. On the other side of the island. And cook it. Cook it for us. Time to get our base looking back normal. This is what I was gonna build. Don't put any campfires. Guys, look what I'm putting inside the houses. Look on the roof. Look on the roof. Look what Guys, look on the roof. Look on the roof. Hurry up. You want my torch? Hey! Another fish. Here, have it. Take it. Take the fish. I dropped it. The fish is right here. Come here. I dropped it. Hey, who has sticks? I need sticks. B is a higher level than us. Just because she's been on... You guys may be lucky enough. Oh, nice. Hey, let's do the campfire song. Let's do the campfire song real quick before my video signs off, because I'm about to end my video, so let's do a campfire song real quick. Gather around the campfire and sing a fire song. R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E song. And if you think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. You just sing along. Dun, dun. M-P-F-I-R-E sing the campfire. Oh my god. Yeah, R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E campfire song. Come on, Squidward, say something. Squidward. I said Squidward. I said Squidward. M-P-F-I-R-E sing the song. Long. Dun dun. Well, that's all for today, YouTube. Well, not for today, because we might do a video on bee swarms. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.